Is your hosting your site showing the wrong URL? Maybe visitors land on a version without the www, or worse, they see a not secure warning in their browser. It makes your site look unprofessional, and honestly, it can scare people away. But here's the good news. You can fix the WWW prefix in about 30 seconds, and you don't need any coding skills to do it. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you right through your Hostinger dashboard and show you exactly where to click to turn on the WWW prefix. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be all set. Alright, let's jump in. Start by opening your Hostinger website builder. This is the main editor where you design and manage your site. You should already be logged into your Hostinger account and looking at your project dashboard. Now just click that big button that says Edit Website or go directly to your builder link. Once you're inside the editor, we can move on to the next step. Now locate and click on the option that says Captive_Portal. It sounds a little technical, but it's just a setting inside your builder that controls how your site's address works. You'll find it on the left-hand side menu, probably near the top. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. In the settings that open up, you want to look for the option that says Use WWW Prefix. It's right there, plain as day. Click on that. This tells Hostinger that you want the www, a version of your domain, to be the primary one people see. And here's the really important part. After you click Use WW Prefix, a new option will appear. You'll see a highlighted button or toggle, and you need to click on that first highlight to turn the feature on. It's usually a switch or a radio button, and it changes color once it's active. Make sure it's toggled on. Finally, click on the second highlight to confirm your choice. This is usually a Save or Apply button. It locks in your settings so your site actually uses the WWW prefix from now on. This might take a moment to process, so just give it a few seconds. And that's it. You've just set your Hostinger site to use the WWW prefix. Now when people visit your website, they'll see the professional WWW version in their address bar. It looks cleaner, it builds trust, and it can even help fix that not secure warning if a mismatch was the cause. Thanks for following along. You solved that URL issue in no time, and your site is looking better already. If you found this helpful, stick around for more quick fixes just like this one.